One part I've always had a problem articulating is why we do what we do and why we drive so hard for change. I was a small boy, I was 4 years old when my father started this business and my mother. So obviously we saw a lot of the positives and the negatives that come out of the industry over the years, and we intend to make a difference. Halls is a family business, started in 1989 by Barry and Jenny Hall. Our goal's always been to create a world-class brand. We focus in three main industries: chemicals, adhesives and paints. We introduced lights in about 2006. We manufacture 587 products. It's steadily growing each month with our open innovation programs, where we offer innovators to come on board and we manufacture, market their products and pay them permanent royalties in the form of passive income. So the experience as far as paints are concerned, or coatings, we have an industrial tinting section where we work on solvent-based products predominantly, and then from the acrylic side we do 4 or 5 brands and their full package. Our value proposition is definitely service. We work with unity, we communicate well, and we respect each other. So we're working on some very cool technology at the moment. E-commerce is a disruptive industry. We intend not to sit back and be disrupted. We'd prefer to be the disruptor. Halls intends to make a difference to the people that we serve. We intend to make a difference in the products, and we intend to make a difference with the plastic left behind after our products have been consumed.